Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, the updated Panda Go app and account and permissions. First, sign in and choose a profile. This ensures your settings carry over. Once signed in, tap New Session to initialize the core services and let the app sync assets. Syncing can take 30-60 seconds. Make sure your network stays stable while sync runs because interrupted downloads will delay later steps. After sync completes, you'll see the session dashboard and ready indicators. Now you configure behavior and fine-tune performance. Go to Settings and set control sensitivity, input mappings, and any shortcut keys you'll use. This prevents accidental overrides. Next, run the calibration wizard to align sensors, microphones, and camera streams. Follow on-screen prompts and test each feed. Once calibrated, create automation rules, define triggers, thresholds, and schedules so Panda Go acts predictably. Take time here because proper calibration. You're ready to run a live session. Switch to live mode and watch the status panel for any warnings or latency spikes. While running, keep an eye on CPU and network meters. If performance is steady, finalize by exporting session logs and creating a backup. If something goes wrong, restart the Panda Go services first, then clear cache and recalibrate sensors. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, roll back to the last known good profile and retry. This isolates recent changes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.